To say that somebody struggles with alcoholism or has an issue with it is not to say that that's who they are. Nobody is that. And it's very toxic to identify people with their dysfunctions. That's not who they are. As much of a challenge as those behaviors may pose for them, it doesn't define them. If it did define them, nor would they ever get better. But the fact is that people heal, which means it's not who they are. And what's interesting, when you talk about addiction specifically, or alcoholism, for example, when people get better, what phrase do we use? We say they've recovered. No, that's a good English word. What does it mean to recover something? I'm asking you.
You unturn it and you turn it around. I mean, I guess you suffered from something and you essentially, you reverse a bad situation.
Well, that's one way to put it, but the other way to put it is more simple. You find something.
Yeah,
You lost something and you found it. What is it that people find when they recover from addiction? You ask them, what did you find? They say, I found myself. So that underneath the addiction, there was a self that was lost but never damaged. So how can we say that they are their addiction? They're not their addiction. That's not who they are.